AI with Alex Merced.
Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, your friendly neighborhood Lakehouse and AI guy. And in this video, what I'm going to do is talk about more ways for you to improve the response you get from an LLM. Another response or another approach is called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now let's take a look at what those words mean. Retrieval meaning you're going to go retrieve something. I'm going to go get some additional data. Augmented meaning I'm going to add it. And basically a generation meaning, hey, I'm going to generate, because when we talk about LLMs, it's part of a category called generative AI, where basically it's no longer just predicting a thing, but the result of that prediction, since it's predicting these words, the result is it's creating something, creating a paragraph, creating language. Okay, and then other models create images and things like that. So the idea is that it's creating something versus just predicting something. Okay, so retrieval augmented generation. So the idea is, hey, we want to generate something, but we're going to retrieve additional information to augment our prompt. Okay, so this is something that you might do within a company. So you may have some sort of tool that you use to ask questions of the AI or the LLM, and instead of you just passing your prompt and just your prompt to the LLM, you might have some sort of intermediate tool that scours for internal company information and adds it to the prompt. So essentially what you're doing is it's retrieving information. So I'm not typing it up. There's some sort of mechanism that's going to go retrieve this additional information and inject into my prompt. Okay, and so that way my prompt has this additional information to act on. So I might be saying, hey, you know what? I'm looking for last quarter's sales. So then in that case, this might kick off some sort of process that pulls in the data for sales into the prompt. And then the LLM can then respond by looking at that data within the prompt. Again, the more bigger the context window, the more you can retrieve and then augment the data. So that's one approach. So again, generally the difference between prompt engineering and retrieval augmented generation is that usually with RAG, you're creating programmatic things that will do that for you. So it's not me having to type up the additional information to my prompt. There's some sort of program or programmatic thing that's going to go take that additional step for me. Okay, allowing you to scale that out to other people. So that way other people can get the benefit without them having to actively update the way they prompt the LLM.
Learn more with books.